another video for you guys. So this is Tsurikawa. So let me show you how to install it. Pretty easy. Whoa. What? Tsurikawa. So you want this. So let's open it up. Okay. Okay, so the things you would need for this install is just a screwdriver. Easy. There she is. So we're gonna install it right here on the side. So you guys, this is so easy to install. How many times should I say so easy, but this is just so easy to install. So you got this Tsurikawa that you will need your passenger side and this screwdriver. Take them off, boom boom boom, out, and put it right there. Yeah, it's gonna look like that. So okay, so we already took him out, so it's gonna end up like this. Whoa. Let's see, where's the front? Okay, so ow. Okay, so we have the screws, the nut, and the bolts right there. And then we're gonna put it right this side. You see that? Right there. So when you close it, it's gonna come down here. Like this. Holes. Not holes, huh? Holes. Very easy to install. You can get it. Let's see. You just boom, boom, boom. Done. So now, like, you gotta put this nut right there, and then tighten it up, and you're done. Really easy. There you go. have it. Screwdriver. That's it. That's all you need. Not even 5 minutes. We're done.